Did you let go?
Yeah.
Alright, now get the leg in. Other leg. Now around your butt. Come on. Around the butt. Don't give up. Get around the butt.
Two fingers.
Around the butt.
Your hands.
Around the butt. You sound like you're having a baby. Yep, you suck.
Okay, let's just put my hands back where I was.
Hey, you can't. You have to start all over.
Okay, fine.
Attempt 2, or actually attempt 3.
Let's turn the fan back on. I'm getting hot.
You're wearing a hood, you retard.
Which fingers are longest?
Middle fingers.
Okay, we'll start with
Attempt 4. Around the butt. Like, wiggle your butt a little bit. See if that works. LaDonna, are you watching your daughter?
lay down.
Alright, you're becoming to be boring. I kind of want to watch this show over here. What show is this called?
Gilmore Girls.
Gilmore Girls.
Okay. I give up.
And you suck.